Greetings people, it's the Nyabingi Waterman again. I'm Emmanuel. So I've been asked by my first baby mother to test a few more brand name bottles of water. So I've got a bottle of Evian on my left and a bottle of Highland Spring on my right. And I've filled up the two glasses to more or less the same level. And I'm going to put the electrolyzer in both and switch it on at the mains and then switch it on at the electrolyzer. So it took about 3 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes before the glasses got too hot. Previously I've tested Coca-Cola's Smart Water, which claims to be distilled water but was rubbish, and also Lidl's mineral water, which turned out to be rubbish also. So straight away you can see that both waters have started bubbling and are starting to discolour. I'm just going to touch the glass, see if there's any heat. So you've got some heat here from the Evian, which is turning green on the top. The Highland Spring isn't heating up, but it's turning brown on the top. When you take into account that these manufactured mineral waters claim to come from springs in Scotland and mountain glaciers in France, it's an absolute joke. Okay, so you have a look at the Evian now. You've got a kind of centimetre of green, black and brown gunge on the top of that. And on the Highland Spring, you've got basically brown gunge and greenish gunge forming underneath. I'm just going to touch the glass still because I don't want it to break through the heat. So yeah, the Evian's getting quite hot. Strangely enough, the Highland Spring isn't, but they're both as disgusting as each other. I'm going to have to switch it off soon because, as I said, I don't want to break up the glass and clean the mess. So once again, that's Evian and that's Highland Spring, tested for purity with an electrolyzer, and as you can see, both as dirty and as disgusting as one another. Not as bad as tap water, I grant you, but disgusting nonetheless. Not something I want to drink. So distilled water is the way to go. If you can get it already bottled, then fine. Or grab yourself a distiller, as I've done, and do your thing. So I'm going to turn it off now before it cracks my glass. I'll just give you one last look. That's your Evian on the left, and that's your Highland Spring on the right. Now, if any of you really want to drink that, good luck. That's all I can say. Give all the praise to the Most High Jah, Rastafari.